Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the various ways to sum values in Excel, including ranges, named data, non-contiguous cells, and values from other sheets. Excel allows you to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, and division using simple operators like plus and minus. For example, you can manually add numbers by entering an equal sign in a cell and performing the calculation directly. But Excel offers a more efficient way to sum ranges of values using the sum function. The sum function is one of the most commonly used functions in Excel, designed specifically for summing ranges of numbers. To sum a range of cells, simply select the cells as shown on the screen. Here, we're summing all the values from cells B2 to B13. The sum function can handle up to 255 arguments, which means you can sum a large number of cells at once. As you see on the screen, I've entered several cells individually, separated by commas. You can enter up to 255 arguments this way. Now, if you want to sum non-contiguous ranges, you can easily do that by separating the ranges with commas, as shown on the screen. Excel will sum the values from both ranges, giving you the total sum. Next, let's talk about named ranges. Named ranges allow you to assign a name to a group of cells, making your formulas more readable and easier to manage. Let's select the range B2 to B13, then hold down the Control key and select the range H2 to H13. Go to the name box and enter income as the name for these two ranges. Now, instead of writing out each range separately in your sum function, you can simply use the name income, and Excel will sum the values from both of those non-contiguous ranges. This makes your formulas cleaner and easier to understand. Here's another handy trick. If you have a long list of data that continues to grow and you're unsure where the last cell will be, you can sum all the values in an entire column by referencing the column itself twice. For example, to sum all the numbers in column A, use the formula as shown on the screen. This will automatically add every cell in column A, regardless of how long the list becomes. Sometimes, your data might be on another sheet. No problem. You can easily sum values from a different sheet by referencing the sheet name before the cell range, as shown on the screen. This approach will pull data from sheet 2 and calculate the total for you. Now, what if you want to mix things up? You can sum different data types all at once. For example, you can sum specific numbers, cells, and ranges together. Excel is smart enough to sum numbers even if they're stored as text, as long as they look like numbers. Excel can even sum logical values. True is treated as 1, and false as 0. So, if I include true and false in my formula, true adds 1 to the total and false adds nothing. That's it for today's tutorial on the sum function. From summing ranges and named data, to using logical values, array constants, and even embedding functions, the sum function is truly versatile. I hope this video helped you unlock its full potential. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.